So as promised, I am on ledger.com/start. As I told you in my previous video, you have to go to www.ledger.com/start and downloading the app on your computer, either for Windows app, Mac app, and Linux app. So you have plenty of options here, and I'll go to Windows app, and I will just download it. I already have it in here, so open file. They will ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? So you will have to do it if you want to set your ledger on. And file origin, hard drive on this computer. So you click yes, and let's see, choose install location. Where do you want to install this on? Program files, and click install. Please wait while Ledger is being installed. Okay. And I guess you'll use the app just to set up your everything, and you click finish and run Ledger live. Here it's written, welcome to Ledger. Safely manage your crypto from your computer. Here you can choose your language. In which language do you want to set up your ledger with, and get started. No device by ledger, what ledger you want. This is mine is a Nano ledger S. Okay, get started. Okay, terms of use, if you agree or not. I have read and you agree on that. And you have to choose your device in here, whether it's Nano S, Nano S Plus, and Nano X. The difference between these are several. I can show you if you go to ledger.com. Okay, here you go to products, and you can compare all the products. So you go to products and compare all devices. Here you will have like a comparison between all the devices that you want to get. I got this because I don't have too many apps right now. I'm at the beginning, but if you have many, you can get this one. Okay, so this is 2 million sold. This is mobile friendly, enjoy Bluetooth. This is not so complicated. This is simple, and this is like a new one. But it gets the job done, even if it's not. The difference is between these two, between mine, which is a Ledger Nano S, and Ledger Nano X, is that the Nano S is up to 3 apps installed on your device, and this one has up to 100 apps installed on the device, which is a lot. So differences are not so many in the features, except the Bluetooth and the apps. Okay, so the connector is different also. 8-hour in standby mode. This is it has not no battery. Okay, no weight. This is much more heavier, and the price, of course. I bought this one, which is very good for the beginning, and I do recommend you to do that also when you're just starting. After you get a little bit of experience and you have more experience with crypto wallets, NFTs, and you have more assets and stuff, you can buy the other one. But now it's like very good, this simple one. Okay, so mine is Nano S, simple, no other complications. It's not a pro one. Okay, so let's see what do we have in here. Hello, first time using your Nano S. Yes, it's the first time. Set up a new Nano S. Okay, first use. Let's start and set up your device. Okay, already have a recovery phase. Connect your Nano S. Is your device already set up, connected to the app? Okay, so yeah, restore your recovery phase on a new device. Yeah, first time using Nano S, so I have to set up a new Nano S. So I will click in here. Okay. Okay, your crypto assets are stored on the blockchain. You need a private key to access and manage them. Yes. Own your private key. Your private key is stored within your Nano. You must be the only one to own it to be in control of your money. Okay, stay offline. Your Nano works as a cold storage wallet. Yes. This means that it never exposes your private key online, even when using the app. Yeah. This is why you're buying it, isn't it? Okay, validate transactions. Ledger Live allows you to buy, sell, manage, exchange, and earn crypto while remaining protected. You will validate every crypto transaction with your Nano. So you will have to touch that screen that I showed you. It's like a I will also show you that, yeah, in a minute, that screen where you have to have a transaction and you will have to touch like check. Okay, so let's set up your Nano. We'll start by setting up your Nano security. Okay, and yeah, let's do this. Best way to get you started. Plan 30 minutes and take your time. Yeah, thank you for the encouragement. So you'll need like 30 minutes. Grab a pen to write with. Yeah, thank you. I will. I already did. Okay. I do have my pen. Stay alone. Okay, so I will have to stay alone, guys, and leave you until I do these steps. So I did plug in my Nano. In the process, the first thing you have to do before you put your password and recovery phase, you'll have to plug in your Nano to your USB on your computer, and you'll have a message, welcome to Ledger Nano S, okay, on the screen here, yeah. Okay, so you just have to connect it. Okay, so then they will ask you a PIN to set up your PIN. Okay, here. And if you do like this, the PIN will change. The number will change. I don't know if it's visible on a... I don't know. Okay. And to confirm it, you will press both. When you get to the number you want, you will press both in the same time, okay? So now that you have the password set up, that's why they didn't say nothing about a paper, because you already have the paper included in your package with your Nano S here, okay? And your device will generate a 24-word password, which you will have to write on this paper here, okay? Here, yeah. Okay, so now that you have your security phrase set and put it in a secure place and everything set here, I had an update, so I had to put my password again. That's okay. And then after the update, you have to install apps. So this is the difference between the Ledger Nano S and Ledger X. I'm allowed to install 3 apps, so I will install Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Smart Chain because I use it also. Okay, so I will have these 3 installed, and let's see how apps install successfully. You can now add your accounts. Okay, yeah, it's very new to me because I just got into NFTs and now I just bought my first ledger and I wanted to make a review, so to see how user-friendly it is at first sight. So it's very easy to set up. Here you will add your account, and yeah, you will see exactly how it's done. Open the Ethereum app on your device. Open up Ethereum and cancel action you have in this. Open up Ethereum. Okay. Application is ready. Synchronizing. And see how it's really done. And how it's synchronizing and how much time you need to do that. Okay. Add account. Account added successfully. And done. Okay, so my question was how you connect your ledger to your MetaMask. So I went to MetaMask here, okay. Here you connect your hardware wallet. You select here Nano S, which is already selected. You click connect and then continue. Okay, mine is already connected. So to connect it, you have to accept, the app. You go on your ledger and you go to Ethereum and you push the two buttons to get the app started, and then the app is ready to be recognized by the MetaMask that it's right now. Then it will a wallet will show up. Okay, let me show you. Plug in the ledger wallet, connect your wallet directly to your computer, unlock your ledger and open Ethereum, and you have the address which is already connected, and I can't connect that again, which will be this address. Okay, and that's it. Your ledger will be here securely, and that's it. Okay, and here you will have the main funds. You will transfer everything in your ledger, so everything will be safe from that moment on. Okay, hope this video was helpful, and yeah, see you on my next one. Bye.